Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for stations and cars in the MTA TrainTime application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the search button at the bottom of the page, and then just click on the search bar at the top of the page and start searching for stations or cars. And as you can see, here you will find the information. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.